gun accuracy testing. Okay, so this is the target. It's able to fall down. Now I want to see how accurate the guns are. So, let me just get straight to the gun. This one first. Okay, so I'm going to be looking through the scope. So if you don't see me, that's because I'm aiming the gun. It's empty. Okay, so I gotta find the bullets. I have 2 bullets loaded up in here. It just came right out. I might be getting the bad scope angle. So, yeah, I'm gonna... It's pretty accurate. I just didn't have a good scope angle, I think. Okay, now to the Fortnite gun. So, here's the Fortnite gun. Here's how I know it. Holy shit. So, I don't really think I have to look at this scope because of how big the barrel is. It's pretty accurate. It got shot down on the first shot. So, pretty accurate too. But only because the barrel is so big. Possibly because the barrel is so big. I also want to know how it is, Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Pass!